So this is fun. Most of these guys are practicing. Who's qualifying? Not him. That guy is. We got one guy, two guys. Two guys qualifying, three practicing. And as I look at the start that we got here, we're down to our two practice dudes. There we go. Dolma just getting the dirt off the sticks. Now we're down to maybe just one, unless we get some turtle mode action from who is under the Cessna. Looks good from here, but nope, not so good. Down to one. 40 seconds in, minute 20 still to go. So the good news is that we have most of our fields practicing. So for them, it didn't really matter. Dolma, the 49 and 5. Now the reason that we have mixed up some of our practice pilots and our qualifiers here today is because we had a 2-hour, 11-minute delay yesterday. I kept calling it 2.5 hours, but I went back on the stat, and at 11:11, I believe it was 2 hours, 11 minutes late, we ran our first heat. That delay carried forward all day long into all of our other wiggle room. And so our fourth group of practice yesterday ran out of daylight. So we are mixing them in to make sure that they, it's just how they were scheduled, you know, not their fault that they didn't get their full 4 in. So we're giving them their, we're making their pot right while everyone else is qualifying. And we're going to save 20 seconds there as everyone's down. Let's retrieve some quads. Tough break for Dolma. Lap 2 is a pretty good one, 33-0. And what we saw a heat ago.